few days ago I was out here working on this bank here and finished up most of it. Let's give you a view of it. I brought this section, sloped it down. It's good enough for a lawnmower. That might be a little rough, but it's still doable. And as you can see, the slope for the rest of the project is pretty good. It's easily well enough for the riding lawnmower. Obviously, I need to give the bank a haircut. Have all of these little roots sticking up, and that's what I'm doing today. Actually, we'll finish up this section of this project today. Dad's gonna run into town, pick up some hay, and I've already got a 50-pound bag of seed, and we are going to seed this up, fill some hay on it, probably throw down a little more seed on top of the hay, and let it set for the season. And hopefully in the spring, nice thick patch of grass will be here, and we can start mowing and either continue working our way down the road that way or start working on this west. Either way, one of those we got to start taking care of, because in the summertime when the grass is high, it's a little high to see down the road to see if anybody's coming either direction. This is obviously a whole lot better, but if I got rid of that brush there, I could see all the way to the rise of the hill over there. And if I clean this one out, we could see all the way to the bottom. So those are next year's projects. This year, let's work on this one, finish it up. I dropped the cotter pin that holds the pin. I've got extras. Well, I pulled the top link off the brush hog in order to try to get down the slope a little bit better. The dirt was still rough enough where it was catching it and making it buckle up. Pulling it straight, that concept works pretty good. It'll float if you got the front adjustment just right. It'll float across the grass, and it'll float across a lot of these little dips and valleys and kind of help even that out. Didn't quite work as well as I wanted it to here, but the job got done. A little bit of roots and stuff that are sticking up. The lawnmower will be able to handle that next year with no problem at all. So now we're going to get started with tossing out the hay, tossing out the seed, and finishing it up for the year. Well, this is the gist of it. It has been sloped. It has been covered with hay to help stop runoff and help set the seed in place. It has had, give or take, 4 pounds of seed thrown on it, hand broadcast as you saw, and that should take care of it. In February, probably throw some more seed on it to fill out any holes, and then start mowing in April, start mowing in May, and then start working on the other sections. So thanks for watching my video. This is Chris, otherwise known as Fat Guy in the Woods, the farm, and the store. Have a great day.